I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to keep your kitchen floors clean and slip-free, you gotta check these out.
This is the SUMLANS 2-piece kitchen mat set. I got the gray set. The small one is 17 by 30 and the large one is 17 by 47. They fit so nicely in my kitchen right underneath the sink and the stove. It's so easy to move around on because it has a not only good quality woven texture on the top, but it also has a non-slip rubber bottom, which is great for if I am moving quickly from counter to cabinet. You can even do chaîné turns. It is not going anywhere. Also, with the woven texture, it's very easy to, if you do spill, whether you're cooking or washing, it's easy to clean up. Just grab a rag and spot clean. It's easily swept. Or if you have any stubborn bits, the vacuum works really well. And for any serious stains, these are machine washable. So helpful with maintaining and keeping a beautiful kitchen.
I love how simple and easy these are to maintain and how nice they look in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.